Hello everyone. This video is for those of you who are taking a course in Introduction to Statistics. And so in this video, I'm going to show how to build a frequency table and how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. So we want to make a pie chart like this. So first, to get to Google Sheets, go ahead and open a Google search right here, and then click the Google Apps icon here, and then scroll down, and then click on Google Sheets. And then, and then just click on the blank sheet right here. So here we have a random sample of 30 patients and then their blood types. And what we want to do is make a frequency table and then also form the relative frequency and then make the pie chart. And so first, what we want to do is count the number of A's and then the number of AB's and then the number of B's and the number of O's. And so if you want to count the number of A's, so click on this cell and then type equal, and then the function that we want is count if. Okay, count if, and then you need to input the range. So go ahead and highlight everything here, and then comma, and then next you need to tell it what do you want to count. And so we want to count all the letter A's. So you type equal A, and then close parentheses, and then enter. And so there are 7 A's in here. And then next, let's count the AB's. And so equal count, the function we want is count if, and then the range, so highlight everything, and then comma, and then quotation mark, and then equal. This time we want the AB's. Now let's count the B's. So count if, and then highlight everything, and then quotation mark, and then equal B, and then close parentheses. And then same thing with this last one here. So count if, and then highlight everything, comma, and so from this table there's 7 A's, and then there's 6 AB's, and then there are 8 B's, and then 9 O's. So it's a total of 30. You could also get the total count right here. So if you want the total, we know it's 30, but if you want, you could also do sum. And then you want to sum these values, and it will give you 30. So the relative frequency is just going to be equal, and then we want this cell 7, and then dividing by the total, which is 30. And then equal, and then highlight that cell and then enter. So this will be the relative frequency. And then now we want the pie chart. So let's go ahead and highlight everything here. and then clicked on the chart icon up here. So clicked on it. And then come over here to the right side. And we want the pie chart. Okay, and then so here we have the blood type versus, and we want the relative frequency. And then once again, you can change the font size here. And then enlarge it. And then you want to change the title. And then you can modify it any way you want. So let's say I want size 30. And then I want to center it. And then text color. And so that's how you would make a frequency table, and then the corresponding pie chart. And so to summarize everything, to get the frequency, what you want, the function that you want is countif. So that's the function that you want. And so that's the end of it.